Hello guys! Welcome back to our channel, Mariah and
Jessica Channel.
So today guys, we're gonna mukbang fruits. So there are grapes, apples, oranges, and watermelon. So let's start! So first we're gonna eat the grapes. It's so sour.
Yeah.
So sour and so juicy.
Grapes are healthy.
Yeah, because it's a fruit.
Yeah. Do you hear that? See?
Easy that. It's so sour and I love the taste.
Look. Oh.
It's like an ASMR.
Yeah. It's still comments. Yeah, like lemon. So Thomas.
Yeah, it's like a lemon. That's so juicy. A little bit of sweet and sour. Okay. Cheers. Presto. Grape is one of my most favorite fruit.
Yeah, me too. It smells up. Do you hear that?
See guys, it's so comfy. And you should try.
You should try this.
Yeah. It splashes. Oh, look at this one.
See that? It's like a running.
Purple.
Yeah, it's red and purple.
It's green and purple.
Yeah, green and purple. This is so yum, guys, and sweet.
Green is yummy, but I like purple better.
Our brother is watching TV. Yeah. Okay.
Okay, now we're gonna eat the apples. This is for you, and this is for me.
Grapes is not finished yet.
Okay, I'm just gonna choose my apple. And I'm gonna hear a crunch. I like the apples.
I like them.
They're crunchy and juicy too.
Yeah. And That orange is so juicy too.
And a little bit sour. So we're gonna eat the oranges. Here you go. Okay, this is gonna be so sour. 3, 2, 1, go. I love it when it's sour.
Yeah, it's tummies. It's so juicy.
There are seeds on it,
Yeah.
and you mustn't eat it or swallow it.
Look, it's so big.
Like this. A seed. I'm gonna eat some more grapes.
Me too. It's like eyes.
And eyes.
Mm.
Oh. Mm.
Look at that.
Okay. We'll eat the watermelon later. So many sticks. This is for you.
Thank you.
I'm gonna eat them together.
This mine is 3. This two are. Whoa! It's green and purple. That's right.
Eat them. Okay, so guys, now I'm gonna eat the watermelon. This is the most juicy fruit in the world.
Yeah. Look, my blanket is done. So yummy.
There are seeds on them too.
Yeah.
The seeds are just like the apple seeds.
Yeah. It will grow to the apple tree. It's so yummy, guys.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's much good. It's so very different. I didn't taste this good to ever yummy now. It's best. It's best fruit in the world.
Yeah.
There's so tummies. But this is one is
It's sweet.
yeah, that you can. to eat some apples, you know? There's apples to the world now.
The orange is like a lemon shape. I'm gonna eat them together.
It's so big.
I have ran for you. It's so juicy.
Yeah. On the why you come to the
Okay. So I'm just gonna eat one more apple and that's it. Okay, I'm just gonna eat one more watermelon. And that's it. I promise you guys.
I eat
17. Watermelon is soft, like it's so soft like cotton.
This is so simple.
Sometimes when people eat this, their clothes get wet.
So
Guys, we finished the fruits. So I hope you guys
like a video. This oranges.
So guys, now we finished eating the fruits and I hope you guys like watching our videos. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share. Bye!
Bye.
Thanks for watching.
Kulang.